Now let's check this out. Okay, over here we have a kitchen tap, and after a while it has kind of got loose. You know, you have to fix this as soon as possible because water gets into your cupboard below and it may cause the wood below to rot. And over time, you know, as things get worse, you might have to replace this whole cupboard. So you got to get this addressed as soon as you can. I'm going to teach you how. So stay tuned. So as you can see here, the kitchen tap has gotten loose and there's a retaining nut below. Water will get into the bottom and will seep into the cupboard. You know, we don't want to get some damage over time, so we've got to get this fixed. You want to make your life a bit easier. Some cupboards come with quick release hinges like this one does. Just press the hinge at the back, you know, it'll release the cupboard door. So it gives you a bit more space to work. Let's put that aside and we'll go underneath the cupboard. Okay, here we are under the sink. What you want to do is check for any rot. Okay, you take your screwdriver and you poke the wood that's around the tap hole and you see if it's soft. In this case it's pretty hard, so we don't have any wood rot, which is good. It means it's still salvageable. Okay, in this setup we've got two pins here and here, and there's a nut. This connects to the tap above. So what you want to do is make sure these pins are tightened to the tap, and then you tighten these two nuts. Now once you do that, your tap should be pretty tight and it shouldn't move. Okay, so what you need is something like this, because if you take a look, there are a couple of nuts over here, and this box wrench, okay, has a socket head, and it gives you a bit more leverage. There are holes at the side of the socket wrench, and that's for you to put in a screwdriver, or in my case, I'll put in an Allen key into one of the holes, and that gives me a bit more turn leverage when I'm gonna try turning it around. So right there, find the one that fits, and you give it a few twists to tighten the tap. Well, the tap is fixed. It's nice and strong, it doesn't move anymore, and you won't get any leaks into the bottom of the cabinet. We managed to save this in time, so remember, get this fixed as soon as you can and don't wait. And until the next video, please leave a comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.